In this video, I will show how to solve a system of linear equations by elimination. So when we're solving it by elimination, we have to first make sure that it is written in standard form, which is the case for our system. So let me just copy it over here. And now when we're solving it by elimination, we are trying to eliminate each variable. Now, to eliminate y variable, we have to match the coefficients of y. So we have to match 5 and 2. The least common multiple of 5 and 2 is 10. That means we're going to turn both of these coefficients into 10. So what times 5 gives me 10? It's 2. So I'm going to multiply this equation by 2. I'm going to multiply it by 2, and I'm going to write the result over here. So we have 4x plus 10y equals -2. Now I'm going to multiply the second equation by 5, and that will make the coefficient of y 10. However, I want the coefficients to be to have opposite signs. So I'm going to multiply it by -5. And when I multiply it by -5, I'll get the following. I have -15x plus, well, now it's minus 10y times -20. Now to eliminate the x variable, I have to find the least common multiple of the coefficients of x. So the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So I'm going to turn one of them into 6 and the other one into -6. So what do I have to multiply 2x by to make it 6x? I have to multiply it by 3. So let's multiply the rest by 3. So we have 15y and we have -3. Now to make the bottom one -6, I have to multiply the entire equation by -2. So let's multiply everything else by -2. We'll have -4y and we'll have -8. Now we can add the top two equations side by side, and when we add them, we're going to get -11x, 10y, -10y cancel, and -2 plus -20 is -22. And when we add the bottom two equations, x will cancel, 15y plus -4y will be 11y, and -3 plus -8 is -11. And when we obtain each of these equations, we did this by eliminating the other variable. And now we can divide the top equation in this system by -11. So x equals 2, and we can divide the bottom equation in the system by 11, and y then is equal to -1. So the solution of this system is 2, -1.